Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to take the topic on mixed reality. So, the first topic in mixed reality is introduction. So, let's see how virtual reality, mixed reality, and augmented reality works. So let's have a recap first. First, we have to check it out. What is an immersive technology? In what way these immersive technology is used? So, if you are, for example, if you are going to enter a virtual world for 10 minutes, so which character you would like to be and why you have choose that character in that virtual world. So, in that way, this immersive technology is created. First, we will go to introduction to virtual reality. So when we go inside these pictures, we can able to see a boy is playing like he is trying to drive a bike, and the second picture tells about how the student is studying through virtual reality. So in this way, we can able to see, we can understand what is virtual reality. Okay, so it is a fully computer generated 3D environment where it is a 3D environment which looks a real space, like how we are going to do it. It is completely immersed. We definitely need a VR headset while doing these types of virtual things. For example, in this picture we have seen the boy is wearing a virtual reality glass where he can able to view a real phase of a bike drive. So in that way he can able to feel how he is driving the bike. So example, HTC Vive, MetaQuest, all these things are used as a VR headsets. So it is actually a 360 degree visuals and a motion, and we can track to simulate the reality. So when it comes to gaming, where when the virtual reality, there are lots of applications that is used in today's, that is gaming, simulations, training, and virtual tours. Next, we are going to see about the introduction to mixed reality. So, what is now we saw what is virtual reality, how it works, and what are the application it takes place. When it comes into the mixed reality, it merges both the real as well as the virtual world. So, in virtual reality, we can only feel it, like how we can able to drive a car or a bike in a form of a feeling. But here in mixed reality, it is a mixed form of both the virtual one as well as the real one. With the help of the virtual one, we can communicate with the, or we can do certain things with the real one. That is actually called as the mixed reality. It merges the real and virtual worlds, and also it has digital objectives and are anchored to real spaces and can interact with the physical objects. So when it comes to the advanced way, it uses Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap. So these are the two things which is more important for a mixed reality to work on. So when we have a deep studying about what is spatial mapping, depth sensing, and also the gesture tracking, and how does this get involved in a mixed reality is studied over here. And also these also have few applications, like it is used in industry training and also in educational purpose and design in healthcare and also in remote assistance. So when we come here in these pictures, you can see it's a medical scenario where with the help of the virtual lens, they are trying to give a real operation to the human. And here it is a pilot based, where with the help of the virtual, the real transport has been driven. So this is how the virtual reality and augmented reality come together to form a mixed reality. So let's have a quick comparison. When we compare this, let's see, we have AR, VR, AR, VR, and MR. So this is the main difference of AR, VR, and MR. So when it comes to AR, see, this is how it gives the mapping and the details, whereas it comes to VR, we have a virtual reality where comparatively to AR, we can only able to see here, but we can here we can visualize it. But when it comes to MR, we can straight away do in the real world also. So here is we can able to try it. Just look into it. You just have a puzzles and you give a try and try to answer in the comments. Next is AR tech stack. What is AR tech stack? What is AR? We already know augmented reality. In what way this AR tech stack in cameras, sensors, and GPS it is used? Whereas VR tech stack, the tracking controllers, 3D engines like the game engines, Unity, Unreal, Blender, in all these things also the VR tech is used. Whereas if it comes to the MR tech, as I said before, spatial mapping, hand tracking, eye tracing, all those things also is come under the mixed reality tech stack. So these are the applications and general introduction in today's real world. The applications like healthcare, education, training, manufacturing, entertainment, tourism, in all the specific parts, these AR, VR, and MR is used in today's world. So let's have a problem solving framework. Just go through this and in what way this industrial technician is facing in how in what way she is facing the troubleshooting of a complex machinery. In that we can have an empathize what and all she is observing, she is finding out, and also in the form of ideate, we can give some, she is having few ideas, possible solutions to rectify that mission, and she is trying to assist with the AR VR. So finally she is testing it. So in this way, these are the introduction to AR VR and mixed reality. Thank you.